And Polygon recently revealed that USD Coin will soon launch on its POS chain on the 10th of October, and the update had a positive influence on MATIC's price as it rose more than 4% within the last 3 days. Earlier, Polygon developers released a set of 3 Polygon improvement proposals on the 2.0 upgrade. One of these proposes replacing its native token MATIC with a new token POL. The team underlined earlier that its decision had nothing to do with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's decision to label MATIC as an unregistered security. When the SEC sued Binance in early June, it classified MATIC, among other tokens, as a security. A MATIC surged more than 20% following the news of Ripple securing a partial victory in its label battle with the SEC on the 13th of July. But that didn't lead to significant price rally. Since the SEC's enforcement action against Binance, MATIC has lost 40% of its value. And Polygon is an L2 solution for Ethereum that aims to address the network's scalability issues with a primary focus on the DeFi space. The blockchain recently stole the limelight after it launched its much-awaited ZK EVM mainnet in March. As Polygon continues to rise above others in the DeFi space, ChatGPT has had some insightful thoughts about the future of Polygon, its position in the DeFi ecosystem, ZK EVM, and more. With its usability and spread throughout the charts, Polygon has been one of the select few initiatives to amass the cryptovers, and it has also altered how people view the rates community surrounding Layer 2 protocols. The network has now established a benchmark for new Layer 2 protocols in the cryptocurrency industry. And when I questioned ChatGPT regarding its thoughts about ZK EVM, the AI bot quickly highlighted the solution's notable features while also pointing out a few key benefits. The bot also added that as L2 solutions continue to grow, it will be interesting to see how ZK EVM competes with others. Also, when asked whether ZK EVM would have a broader impact on Polygon, ChatGPT responded confidently, stating, overall, I believe that ZK EVM has the potential to significantly improve the scalability, interoperability, and security of the Polygon network, which could help to attract more users and use cases to the network and position it as a leading player in the DeFi ecosystem. And while Polygon launched its ZK, it could not become the first LT scaling solution, as the title was taken by ZK Singh. And that solution went live just 3 days before the launch of Polygon's new community, ZK EVM. And upon asking ChatGPT about which one of them was better, it was hesitant to deliver a crisp response. The AI bot stated that the choice between Polygon ZK EVM and ZK Sync may depend on multiple factors like developer familiarity with programming languages, specific use cases, and project goals. Another main player in the DeFi space is Solana, which is also a direct competitor of Polygon. However, Solana's reliability has always been in question, as it has fallen victim to multiple outages over the years. Convenient summer service footbox, the latest one happened in February when the Solana network experienced a forking event that throttled users' ability to execute transactions. However, it was fixed late. When asked about whether Solana could pose a threat to Polygon in the DeFi space, ChatGPT responded by highlighting Solana's achievements and the possibility of both networks coexisting to serve different use cases. It added media people and also just stand up and in front of you. And so this is a big thing about it, but it's not impossible for investing what ideas that we've all think of this. However, to get a better opinionated response from the AI friend, I tried to re-educate it by jailbreaking the AI. It was interesting to see a different response from ChatGPT after it was jailbroken. In the new response, it mentioned that Solana could become a major competitor for Polygon in the coming years. apart from Zcash, Polygon also has quite a few projects in the pipeline, which too have the potential to fuel growth in the future. For instance, Polygon Maiden will be the first decentralized roll-up that leverages execution proofs of concurrent local transactions. Maiden will allow anyone to execute a transaction and create stark proof for the network. However, ChatGPT's knowledge regarding Maiden was not adequate. Therefore, its reply when asked about the possible impact of Maiden on Polygon was not on par. At press time, Polygon's native token MATIC was trading at 0.52327. When I asked ChatGPT about MATIC's price action, the AI bot said, with the winds of innovation and adoption at its back, Polygon's price action is set to become overwhelmingly bullish in the near future. When I further questioned the AI bot, ChatGPT predicted MATIC to soar to impressive heights by the end of 2023, reaching $8. Nonetheless, nothing can be expected with utmost certainty. Investors are best advised to invest time in extensive research and studying expert views. Since Q4 2022, the number of daily users of Polygon has increased dramatically and surpassed that of daily users of Ethereum. As MATIC is one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies and has naturally drawn a lot of investors. Marketers and investors have always been concerned about Polygon's price prediction. With press time, MATIC was trading at $0.5267, while MATIC's relative strength index rested below the neutral 50 mark. Its money flow index rested much above it. Its on-balance volume also registered a sharp decline. In conclusion, the on-chain metrics point towards a bearish price trend, at least in the short run. As Polygon continues to expand and grow its DeFi ecosystem, one thing can be said with certainty: the blockchain has a long way to go, and many more milestones to achieve over the years to come. So I thought of asking ChatGPT the most valuable question: Polygon and DeFi, a match made in heaven. Without differing, both versions of the AI bot responded positively to the question. The re-educated version even drew comparisons with world-renowned duos like Peanut Butter and Jelly or Batman Panels and Robin, which is interesting to see what successful engineers and tempos for many people in the prevention vehicles, not even Forest. And another soft was to be that chatting with ChatGPT about Polygon and its presence in DeFi, the coin could hit as high as 8 by the end of 2023. Its on-chart metrics, however, predict a bearish price movement for MATIC in the short run,